Good morning, guys. I am on my way to go get my nails done, so I thought I would take you guys along. And it's pretty cold out this morning. San Diego winter for you. 64 degrees, but I'm just in this little sweater, some cute little lounge pants, and yeah, let's go get our nails done.
I have a reward for the drink too.
Sure.
Thank you. Can I get a straw, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Thank you.
All right, I'm here. Check back in with you guys when these are off. I love my long nails, but that's okay. I like having short nails too. So, yeah. See you guys when I'm declawed. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little grasshopper on his car. It's so cute. It's just sitting there. All right, guys, they're off. I'm so sad, but they still look cute. So I'm gonna go run a couple errands and food. I'm alone for dinner tonight. My mom has a business dinner, and then my boyfriend has school until late tonight. So I'm by myself, but that's okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get some food, run a couple errands, and see you guys soon. I brought my coffee in with me to get my nails done, and I think I think my girl got like nail shavings in my coffee, so that's gross. I'm gonna go get another one. Okay, I'm done running my one errand. I freaking hate Walmart. So rude. I don't understand. Like, can't you just be a nice person? I can't see my backup camera because my vlogging camera is in the way. Priorities. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get food now. Are you gonna go? So yeah, I'm gonna go get food now, and I really need to figure out a better place to put my camera. I feel like I should do like one of those mounting things on my car, but I don't want to like ruin my window or my windshield. I'm trying to figure out if I want Jersey Mike's for lunch or Panera. And I think I'm going towards Jersey Mike's. You guys, I ended up getting Jersey Mike's. Oh, it's so good. Completely forgot to tell you that I'm home and I'm eating. But I'm home and I'm eating and I'm starving. So I got the peppermint shake from Chick-fil-A last night, and it is so good. So I'm finishing it. And I know I don't have my metal straw. It's dirty. All of them are dirty, actually, so. But the one that I keep in my purse is dirty, so don't come at me. I cut up all my straws anyway, so I'm still doing my. So the tree skirt was perfectly aligned and organized last night, but who got into it? Is it you? Did you do it? Or did you do it? It was probably you. Yes, you're a monster, but you're so cute. I ever introduced my dogs to you guys, but I probably did. But if I didn't, this is Aurora. This is Stella. She is a monster. She is so bad. We've taken her to beginners, intermediate, and advanced dog training, and she passed them all. But she still is bad. I guess I should show you guys our tree. It's almost done, not complete yet. We still need to put the tree topper on. It's kind of not up all the way yet, but this is our tree so far. It's taken like 3 days to get all of this on. This is it so far. It's so pretty. I love like the colors that my mom incorporates into this. It's kind of like red is kind of like the main theme, but then there's like gold and white and silver, and then there's like a couple little like random ones. Like, let me see, she has these really cool like authentic Hawaiian ornaments, so I think those are just like a really nice add to the tree to make it kind of like, I don't know, it makes the tree like ours, you know. Another authentic Hawaiian ornament. It's so cute. And then we have the dog's ornament. Where is Aurora's? That one is Stella's. Where's Aurora's? This one is Aurora's. And then we have Michael's. We have mine right here. And then we have an L for my mom. So yeah, I think it's so pretty. And maybe I can just show you like a little bit more of what we've done. We're not anywhere near done decorating yet. But this is what we have so far. Not anywhere near like done, but I'm loving how it's turning out so far. Here's our fireplace. And we have all of our stockings, the dog stockings, and this cute little stocking picture. Doggies. So this is Stella's little bed. We got it for her because she loves laying next to the fireplace. She's a little dog, so she loves to be warm. So got that for her. We have this mess. This is all of our decorations that we're going through, and we still have tons more out in the garage. But yeah, like I said, we're not anywhere near being done. 30 of them, and what we normally do is put them up on this giant shelf up here. Hi guys, I'm going to run a couple of errands right now, but I thought I would show you my simple outfit really quick. This really cute crop jacket from Aloe Yoga, and some cute little Nike leggings, and some Nike shoes. Don't mind this whole mess thing going on. We are decorating the guest bathroom, whole beachy blue Christmas theme, and we're not done yet. So, hi guys, so I'm back home. I got my Panera, a warm green Baja Bowl, I think that's what it's called. Super good and super healthy. Put some dishes away, and then enjoy my grain bowl. Okay, I'm all done. I'm gonna go eat my Panera bowl. This is like my favorite thing there. Oh, I also got an iced cinnamon latte. Love their iced cinnamon lattes. So I'm gonna go eat this. you go. Go on camera. Alright, I'm gonna go finish eating this because I'm sure you guys don't care about me eating this for 20 minutes.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Being bad? Yes, you're being bad. I know. You're so cute. You're so cute. I love you.
Oh, see, look how feisty she is. Literally chewing on her sister's leg. Say good morning. Coming back at you with a puppy and all natural. This is all me. No hair, no makeup, no nothing. I would share with you that I am always eating out and I need to stop. But I got Panera again. So there we go. Little thumbnail. Sounded really good, so I got it. And then I got a what is it? I'm blanking. It's like this avocado spinach. Oh, it's the avocado spinach and egg white breakfast sandwich. I had to stop at Starbucks and get my matcha. It's really not my favorite matcha, but that's all that's close by. So no butter buzz around me because that is where I would be going to. From school is actually coming over today and we're going to practice state board because my state board is in 5 days and I'm really anxious to get it over with. So yeah, we're gonna go practice that when she comes in about an hour, and then practice. Got my broccoli cheddar soup. It's so good. Ugh, I've been craving this for so long. So I just finished state board practicing and it was actually not that bad. It went pretty smooth. So I think I'm ready. I'm going to study one more time on Monday and then my test is on Tuesday. So yeah, I'm really anxious, excited, nervous, ready just to pound it out. Let's go. Yeah, that was pretty much my day. I didn't really do that much. I'm gonna go get ready now. I are going to go eat dinner and then go shopping for my mom's Christmas present. So, by the way, don't mind my hair because it's not looking very cute today. I just throw on my halo, but I think I recorded or I filmed yesterday with the halo on, so I know you guys have already seen it. But yeah, I love it. I'm still loving the blonde. Looks really good. Whole mess. When you see me next, I'll have makeup on. Or I might film like a little like really like fast, quick, like fast forwarded get ready with me. I don't know. You guys want to see me do my makeup or not? Let's go. Enjoy the sped up version. This is what we're working with so far. I feel like I look crazy. And this is the finished look. So this is just pretty much like my everyday makeup. I know it kind of seems like a lot, but it literally took me like 15 minutes. This lash is kind of being like more va-va-voom than this one, but I don't know why. It's the same lash, I promise. But yeah, I don't know. But I've been trying to make this lash like go more like boom like this one, but it's just not happening. So it looks okay from afar. Oh my gosh, my tripod is not working today. I popped my halo in, and this is just literally, I just put the like top layer of the halo. It is there's literally so much hair. Like if I put all of it in front of me, it's like almost too much hair. Like it fills up my entire body. Like put it back and then take a little bit like that, and I love it. So Michael and I are going out to eat soon. It's 4:15 right now. I'm probably gonna leave around 5 to get home from school. And yeah, I'm actually really liking my nails. I miss my long nails, but I don't know, this is kind of cute. So I just feel like my nails look kind of stubby, like without long nails, but I don't know, it's cute. That's that.